Pull the paper. Pull the paper off. Wow.
What is it? I can't see. Oh, that.
Oh, neat. Okay, where's the last present?
Here it is.
Okay, I have no clue what that is.
No, it's a brand movie. You can't know what it is.
Hold on, just open this. Come on. He doesn't know how to open presents. Look, what's in here? Look. Wow.
Elmo.
It's Elmo movie. Yeah.
He's like, you should just return this. It's useless to me. I got Sesame Street. I'm surprised you knew what that first one was.